Ben and I agree on one thing, that the rich are not like us. What they treasure, what stirs their passions, and what they're willing to protect at all costs is not shared by the rest of us. I say wealth. He says power. It's in knowing that they have the power to change the world when it no longer pleases or entertains them which gives them the greatest pleasure. The rest of us could never understand what it's like to push a button and have the earth tilt a mere millimetre closer to the sun. He said, "There are people in the world so rich that when it rains, they simply fly away in private jets in search of sun. Often they find themselves in the south of France. Sometimes our paths cross. Now I understand."